That is right, Flash. So, are you guys ready?
Yep.
Okay, prepare for an electrifying experience at the Creative Voices Meetup featuring a unique dubbing competition for the amazing Digital Circus. This is a golden opportunity to meet and learn from the renowned Filipino dubbers of this hit series and Murder Drones, as well as the dynamic members of Certified Voice Artists of the Philippines, Inc.
Okay, so the Amazing Digital Circus is an Australian-American computer-animated phenomenon, and it has captivated audiences worldwide with its blend of comedy and horror. The Filipino dub, spearheaded by Creative Voices Productions and CVAP, under the leadership of ang nag-iisang voice master of the Philippines, who's with us, Mr. Pocholo De Leon Gonzalez, has been praised for its authenticity and impressive voice work. So I want to bring up on stage, do we have we're gonna have a video. Okay. So we're gonna mention the names as well of our guests that we're gonna bring up later. Would you like to give our audience a sneak peek? Sino yung mga dadali natin on stage?
Alright, we also have JJ Energy Voice de Los Santos.
Energy Voice. Grabe.
Yeah, alright. And we have Mac, Voice of Magic, Florendo.
Voice of Magic. And then we have Jennifer Friolo. I am waiting for her to have a magical nickname. All right, but I want some of our friends and family fans to occupy seats, no?
Yeah.
So I know some of them are waiting for a big trailer. So we're gonna play something. Tech booth, are you guys ready? Thumbs up.
All
3,
right.
2, 1, play video.
When it was first played sa akin, and then they told
Alright.
So we're gonna bring up on stage some of the cast, no, some of the team behind that. So unang-una, the voice master of the Philippines. Solid yung nickname na yan, ha? I want you guys to pick it up on Facebook Live. That's an awesome nickname. Tapos siyang basketball nickname. So Pocholo, I'll bring you in. I'll probably have you sit here, no? Who else do we have?
Of course, we have Energy Voice.
Yes, sir. Dito, I think this will be a good spot for you.
And of course, we have Voice of Magic.
All right. Who else? We have
Jen.
Let's bring them up on stage, guys. Let's give them a round of applause. So at this point, I want you, the voice master of the Philippines, to greet our Toycon crowd.
Okay, great day everyone! Say great day!
Great day!
Ayan. Again, I'm Pocholo De Leon Gonzalez, also known as the voice master of the Philippines. Actually, we are the man behind 1,000 voices. So yung mga mamaya, interviewin nyo rin mga dubbers. Actually, mga former students ko sila.
Madaming,
sila
madaming
Rhea,
talent.
sila Ivan, and many more. So I'm also a former dubbing director of Hero TV. And right now, I'm the dubbing director and producer of the Amazing Digital Circus, Murder Drones, and many more YouTube channels ngayon na sikat. And for now, mga almost 400 million views na po yung aming
Combined.
digital, Amazing Digital Circus.
Okay, so how about, sino dito yung first time naka-attend ng Toycon? Energy, si Jen, baka nakapunta
Actually,
na
last year, nandun din kami.
Nandun kayo.
Lagi kaming
Pero
nasa Toycon.
hindi, yung nag-ikot. As in like,
First day nila.
first day.
Oo.
Okay. So, medyo, we have a different breed of geeks and nerds and creatives, no? Yung mga mahilig sa laruan, mahilig sa pop culture and all that. So, we showed some, like a trailer, no? Like a video presentation. I want to ask some questions that are not part of it. So, gugulatin ko kayo ng konti, no? And some of the people here, typically, it's a difficult business, it's a difficult industry to break into. Because it requires talent and patience and time. No? So, Energy, I want you to share some insights, no? Na parang, nga, medyo mahirap, like what are the sacrifices that you have to undergo pag nag-uumpisa ka pa lang? Or is it easy dahil baka, talent?
Then, actually, it all started po, no, sa part ko, sa panggagaya ng voices. Kasi I was once known as the guy with 36 voices. Bakit nga ba 36 voices? Kasi nakakagaya ko ng mga famous voices, mga personalities at iba pa. Siguro familiar ang lahat, no, sa mga voices ng SpongeBob SquarePants, no?
I want everybody to close your eyes right now.
Oo.
No. I
Sabi
want
natin
you
silang
to
sample,
close your eyes. And then on 3, you're gonna hit them with that magical line. Go for
Okay.
it.
So, ito lahat ng mga boses ng SpongeBob SquarePants na ginagaya ko, no?
Alright.
Okay. Hey! I'm ready! SpongeBob!
How about you make a Krabby Patty for your best friend? Hey, where is my money? SpongeBob! Patrick! You two! Where are the orders? Now it's my time to steal the Krabby Patty formula.
So, yun lang mga characters sa SpongeBob.
Grabe yun.
So, nag-start lahat doon. And then, one time, there's online voice acting workshop na tinatawag na Certified Voice Artist Program
Yep.
na isa sa mga nagbigay ng opportunity sa akin para ma-expose sa dubbing industry. So, ito na yung nakapag-dub na tayo sa iba't ibang mainstream platforms, sa online, maging dito sa The Amazing Digital Circus. And also, lahat po kami, actually, we are all products of Certified Voice Artist Program.
Under the guidance
Of
no,
Sir
the voice-
Pocholo.
Of Pocholo, of
Yes.
the voice master. Now, sinabi mo yun, no, na there's this like school or something, like, how fast or how long do you get to join a project? So parang, sige, 3 months pa lang ako nag-training, medyo nakita na talented ako, salang
Salang ka
natin
na
to sa
agad,
project.
oo.
Like, in your case, what was it like? Does it have to be like a year, 2 years, o pag may opening, salang ka agad, pwede ka nang kasali dyan sa project na yan?
So, hello Puno. Ako si Mac Florendo. Hello. Great day, everyone. So, I also joined yung Certified Voice Artist Program. Siyempre, ituturo lahat dyan eh. Basic, hanggang yung mindset din of being an artist. And getting a project, siyempre dadaan ka sa audition na tinatawag. So, kung ano yung boses na babagay dun sa character na yon, pwede kang tawagin ulit.
Alright, if it fits your personality.
But it doesn't necessarily mean na madali siya. Na once nakuha mo, hindi madali din yun. Pag nasa loob ka na talaga ng booth. Oo. And for me, ganun din. Same kami ng pinagdaanan. So, lumabas na rin ako sa iba't ibang projects, no? Sa Netflix. Yan ang pinapanood din.
I have a friend,
panahon yan.
I don't know if you've worked with her, Joan Chua, Orobia Chua.
Ng mga familiar names yan.
They've
sa-
also
sa-
done
sa
that.
industry
So like you
natin.
mentioned that Netflix, you have an awesome nickname, the Voice of Magic. You're like, what does Voice of Magic conjure images of? Di ba?
Voice
Yan,
magic,
magic.
parang, mapupunta sa trance, di ba?
Yeah,
Parang,
ano ba yun? How does that come about?
Well, yun, branded yan ng The Voice Master, no? If you see the word magic,
Right.
you see my name, Mac,
Yeah.
M-A-C.
Yeah.
And you also see the word M-I-C, the
Nandun
mic.
sa G and I lang nawala
Oo.
dun eh.
Pero yung G nasa gitna,
Yeah.
that's God in the center.
Yun naman.
So,
Solid.
pinaka-guidance natin. Yun yung tunay na
Amen.
magic.
You can't spell magic without Mac, huh?
Yes,
Ay,
sir.
branded dyan. Ni Tito Flash. Now I'm gonna ask Jen. Okay. You're the only rose among the thorns. And in this case, is there like a different challenge? Like, do you have to be able to voice different genders, different ages? Kasi, pag lalaki, as you grow older, pagkatapos mong pumiyok, buo na yung boses mo. Right? Like, once you hit puberty, yun na yun eh. But in your case, do you get to experiment with voices like female, male, kid?
Hi Fog. Great day everyone. Magandang umaga. I am Jen and I am part of CVAP or Certified Voice Artist Program under Mr. Pocholo Gonzalez. So regarding po sa question ninyo, yes, whenever we audition, we try as much as possible to have as many characters or voices as we can.
Yeah.
And syempre, tinatry din natin kung kaya ba natin yung mga boses na pambata.
Range, no?
Yes, yung range from kid to teens and then adult or even yung lolo at lola. But of course, for my case, ang kaya ko ay yung batang lalaki, batang babae,
Right.
and yung sa range ko,
Yeah, regular
adult,
female
and
voice.
then yung pang lola naman. So, ayun po.
Okay, so kanina, Energy had a sample. I wasn't able to get a sample from Magic, the voice of Magic. Can you drop, please don't kill me. We have a Facebook Live going on, so this is gonna go
There.
online. Can you give 3 different voices? Just any random 3. Audience, you can close your eyes para iba yung vibe na, okay, it just comes from one person.
Ito siguro mga bagong characters.
Sige, go for it.
Ako nga pala si Weird Al at kaya kong kunin ang lahat ng matalento nyo para ako ang pinakamagaling! Bakit kayo nasa aking kaharian?
At ako nga pala si Shinji Kaminaga, Ultraman.
Solid! The Ultraman that was used on Netflix. Ikaw yung
Yung
nag-Shinji.
pinakabagong Ultraman.
Yeah.
Ako yung Filipino voice no?
Oh!
Shinji Kaminaga.
Gets. Sa Netflix ba to nag-air or is it a different?
Feeling ko nag-special screening siya ng Filipino sa Pilipinas. Hindi lang yata na
Hindi pa na.
promote.
Pero it was
Or baka di pa nalabas. So.
Pero the original release, like obviously it came out in Japanese. And then the dub was yours, the Filipino voice.
Different languages tapos Filipino sa atin.
Meron ka bang pa-challenge, Yuri, kay Jen? Like, sige nga, sabi mo kanina, boss ng Lola. Like, ikaw Yuri.
range,
No,
Jen.
ikaw magbigay ng challenge. Bigyan mo siya ng challenge. Like, what voices do you want to hear? She gave you boses ng batang lalaki, boses ng batang babae, regular female age, and then Lola. Which of those you want to hear?
Sige, let's try Pokemon. As a Pokemon fan, let's try Ash Ketchum. Alright. And then let's hear...
Parang ibang I choose you, ganun.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright. And then let's hear any of your favorite Disney princesses.
Okay,
Yeah.
grabe yung range, ha? Ash. And then, so, same, close your eyes, listen carefully. Kung pwede ninyong i-mic up to, sige, knock yourself out.
Alright.
Jen, floor is yours.
Okay. Pikachu! Sa Disney princesses kasi, ang favorite ko lang actually dun is Jasmine. But, wala akong masyadong familiar na lines ni Jasmine. But I can try giving you a voice of Lola if you'd like.
Alright,
Alright.
sure.
Okay.
Okay. Nakakatuwa naman na makita ko kayong lahat dito. Magandang umaga. Ano nga bang pangalan mo? Pasensya na.
And it sounds so natural.
Ay, maraming
yeah.
salamat po. Proud na proud nga po ako sa lola ko. Ang galing-galing po niya. Di ba po nakakatuwa po siya?
Galing.
Pag magka-animated ng Lola Basyang.
Kaya lang pamano, boss.
Pwede mo.
Kailangan magmano. Galing. Saba. I don't know, like, meron ka ba bang magic hugot na boses?
Bakit ganon? Akala ko naman makakapunta lahat ng kaibigan ko dito pero hindi naman pala. Nakakalungkot naman.
Damn! Okay. Eto, you have one of the most awesome nicknames I've ever heard. Like, I would encounter some of my friends from the cosplay community, people from like the toy community. Parang, pag nakita mo yan, Superman yan. Kasi yun yung kinokolektor niya. Or ito, Bumblebee yan kasi yun ang kinokolekta niya. You have a really awesome nickname, the Voice Master of the Philippines. And so I am giving you this pressure, this challenge. Share mo naman some of your characters that you've done in the past. And if you can give us a sample, makikiusap na ako.
Yeah.
Okay?
Ayan.
Baka magalit eh.
Siguro, dito kasi bago ang lahat, ako lang ang luma. I've been a dubber and voice artist and broadcaster since 1997. Ay, 96 pala. So, siguro pinakasikat nun, wala pa yung mga bata na yan, yung Cyber Kuro-chan.
Yeah.
Yan. So, ganito yung boses niya.
Hoy! Humanda kayo sa akin! Ako nga pala, Cyber Kuro-chan! Itong bagay sa inyo! Ha! Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha!
Ayan. Tapos Bubu Chacha, ayan.
Magandang araw sa inyo.
Ako nga pala si Chacha. Bubu Chacha. At ang pinakasikat, Meet Your Garden.
Your garden.
Yun! Naabutan
Ako
ko
yung
yun, sir.
boses ng tatay ni Sanchay. So yung boses niya, ganito yung, Hay nako, magandang araw sa iyo, Sanchay. Sino ba ang kasama mo? Mukhang pinya. Ay, yan ba si Daming Sir? Mukha siyang pinya.
Galing,
Yan.
palakpakan natin. Solid nun, guys.
Tapos yung mga,
Iba, isa pa. Baka
mga
may-
bago ngayon, yung nung pandemic, makulay ang buhay. Tsaka mga commercials. Yung mga puppet. So yung sikat na puppet, yung Bibo Hotdog. Ganito yung,
Ayun.
ganito yan, oh.
Babe, bibo, bagong bibo,
Oh, anong sikreto ng bagong Bibo?
tikman mo.
Oh, paano? Papit ako'y.
Nya,
Ang sikreto ng bagong Bibo, keso. Ayan. Tsaka yung,
Kailangan ko ulitin yun. Sorry.
tsaka yung makulay
Isa-isa ko yun ang commercial na yun.
Tsaka yung makulay ang, makulay ang buhay, yung sa Channel 7, yung, ako nga pala si Pen.
at ako naman si Benji.
At kayo ay nanonood ng
Makulay.
Ang Buhay! Ayun, at maraming pang
Dami.
iba.
Okay,
Na
guys,
anime.
okay lang ba yun? Ulitin
Hundreds.
lang natin yung Bobby Bibo.
Bibo Hotdog.
Bibo
Okay.
hotdog. Kasi,
Bilang ka.
okay. Kasi ngayon ko lang nakitang ginawa ng live yun.
Okay.
Ever. And so, we have this opportunity in Toycon, yung mga nanonood dyan sa live stream.
Yeah.
Siya yun. Okay? Voice Master of the Philippines in 3, 2, 1.
Babe, bibo, bagong bibo,
Anong sikreto ng bagong Bibo?
tikman mo.
Paano? Papit ako'y.
Nya,
Yeah!
Yan, thank you.
Solid! Solid! Okay, kailangan ko i-record yun. I have to send it to you. Nag-fanboy ako on stage. I know I'm supposed to be working. That was wild, bro. Ang galing, ang galing.
At
Palakpakan
marami pang
natin.
iba. Actually, mga sikat na character, man, yung mga ginagawa ko. Pero, I'll leave it to the young ones. Kasi
Online makikita naman.
I've retired doing voice acting and dubbing since 2019. Retirado na po ako. Kaya sila na yung pumalit
Yeah,
sa akin.
voice director.
So I made myself obsolete because I want the new generation to hear their voice. Because in Certified Voice Artist, our goal is to promote voice acting as an art and to create and use our voice artistry to create positive change. Kasi we believe that our voice is a gift from God and it's how we use it that's our gift back to God. So napaka-importante, bigyan natin ng chance yung next generation of voice artists.
Galing. Thank you. Well said, Sir Pocholo. At this point, I want you to address our audience, live stream. Where can they find your projects? No? Feel free to promote your platform.
Ayan.
Para isang hakot o saan kayo
Tama.
nila mahahanap.
Tama.
Okay, sa mga nanonood sa online and also dito po sa Toycon, great day, marami pong salamat. You can check out, so kung gusto nyong maging voice artist o marinig ang boses nyo, because someone out there needs to hear your voice, just visit our website, www.certifiedvoiceartist.com, or you can check out our Facebook accounts or TikTok sa Creative Voices and Certified Voice Artist. So, ito po, kung kayo po ay PWD, senior citizen, or someone who really wants to be a voice artist na walang budget, you can be my scholar. So, actually, 10,000 pesos siya for 20 years na po ako nagtuturo, non-stop, every Saturday, 20 years non-stop, Sir Flash, no?
Grabe
Talagang
ng
walang tigil,
dedication
grabe ang dedication ko dito. And we are the longest and the only legit voice acting school and voice artistry organization in the Philippines. And actually, we are one of the top 32 accomplished youth organization in the Philippines.
Galing.
And the most
Grabe ang
recognized
dedication.
voice artistry group in the world. So, we were featured by NHK World. So, tignan natin yung website
Japanese
namin, yung certifiedvoiceartist.com. Mapapanood nyo po yung feature ng NHK at makikita nyo po sila din.
And
At
all your other talents.
yes, of course, we are also featured by CNN Philippines. Sobrang ganda po ng advocacy namin and I believe ikaw, may pangarap ka, magaling ka, pero hindi ka naririnig. Andito kami para pakinggan ka at andito kami para tulungan ka.
Palakpakan natin. I want everybody to stand up para may group picture tayo dito. Kitang-kita ng two cameras. I think we have a team from our Toycon social media coverage. Big smiles, everyone. Alright. Maraming salamat.
Maraming
It was nice
salamat
meeting you.
po. Maraming
Congratulations.
salamat po.
Ang galing nyo,
Napakagandang
Solid.
advokasya po nito, no? Napagsulong ng larangang pagsasalin, dubbing, dahil napakahalaga nito talaga
Ang wild
sa
na.
larangan.
Pwede ka maging scholar namin.
Oh, yeah, it's really good.
Ang ganda ng boses niyo dalawa ni Flash. Okay, actually 26 na to since pandemic. And this week is our 4th anniversary ng Certified Voice Artist
Advance
Philippines.
happy-
So June 20, 2020 kami nag-start.
Okay,
So
madali
happy
tandaan.
anniversary, 4th anniversary to Certified Voice Artist
Palakpakan
Program.
natin muli. Thank
God
you,
bless
guys.
everyone.
See you online. Magsasubmit na daw ng sample si Yuri. I'm obsolete like Pocholo.
Grabe. At saka ang ganda talaga na may mga oportunidad na ganito, di ba? Na magsilbing lunsaran. I'm sure
Yeah,
ang daming interested na simulan yung kanilang mga karera sa
It is a
pagbibigay tinig, sa dubbing.
Launchpad siya.
Yeah.
I think we have a live performance ba?
Yes, that is right.
Pag may mga nagtatanggal ng upuan sa likod, kinakabahan ako, baka isama ako eh. Like, sama lang kita, you're a stool. But,
Told me na, oh, you were chosen